forget. People keep bringing it up, but I broke the thermostat in my calculus class. I'm sorry. I was walking by, my backpack crunched it, and it broke off. And the room is really hot now, and it was cold before, and bottle flipping. So, today, I was planning on studying for my engineering class during this period, but have me working where I'm supposed to work in the student store. I'm stocking bottles.
Filling out this stuff. Okay, that way when we go to do the next.
Stop. If you happen to be wondering why the Bobot worked that time, it was because the servos, or the circuitry that we plugged in, where the servos, where they were plugged into the circuit, plugged them in backwards. So this has fixed that. Problem solved. I'm gonna work on you. Forgot to get myself a laptop and that's locked. That's ooh. Hey. Which means, there you are, right there. Let's get started. No internet connection. Oh, wait, I think. Hey, you're what I want. Yeah. Wait, no. This does not seem to be working right now. But at least I get this awesome chair to myself. Finally got it to work. Whoa. Man.
You're welcome.
It didn't do it. Alright, let's try this again. Apparently needs to be plugged in.
So what are you trying to do?
I'm just telling you. Alright, now. Go forward, stop. Camera shot. Okay, let's try this again.
Alright, so.
Okay. This is from what the book has. I'm getting Miss S's phone. Is that her phone? This is her phone. Hello. Whoa, it's already in camera mode.
It's okay.
Alright.
You're alright.
You have a class. Calm down.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
No, I'm taking a picture.
I'm taking you downstairs
Hold
so the
on.
girls can take you home. Yeah. No one has a camera.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You crazy. Alright, thanks. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, I'll be right back.
Pig. Kind of planning on studying today, especially considering that tomorrow is going to be not so fun. But apparently I was given the task of making some popcorn, 5 batches of popcorn, and organizing the fridge. Oh yeah, that's worthy of organizing. That looks like messy up there. So I'm going to do that as fast as I can. Maybe eat some popcorn. Maybe not. That's what I'm going to do. Quick, quick, quick. I think I might have done the wrong thing. Because I don't remember it sounding like that. Which does not make... Oh. Why are you sounding like that? Okay, that's sounding a lot more like popcorn popping now. However, I really... Oh. Okay, maybe I didn't do the wrong thing. Oh. Now, if you want to learn how to make a perfect set of popcorn, just as I have, you have to follow these rules. First, you need to take your Act 2 popcorn oil, which is really just butter, and you have to take a cup here, and you have to fill it up about 3/4 of the way. So if we go and do that, and maybe just put a little extra because you know you love that butter, you're part of the way done. The next thing you have to do is find your popcorn salt, which is quite delicious. Everyone likes that. And you have to get this little measuring cup, a tablespoon. You have to fill it up right about to that level, right there. You see it right there? So you gotta take your salt and pour, but not too much. And you shake that out, and that's perfect. And of course, in the meantime, your past batch is going up there right there. Lastly, all you need is, of course, the kernels. So you have to fill up this cup about 3/4 of the way there. About there. And then you're ready to pop it in there. Once you have taken out all of the materials from the popcorn making device and make sure that these gears up here are in a gear train, you first add your butter. Oh, delicious. Then you add your salt. And last but not least, you add your kernels. And then you wait. But only after you put the top down. In the meantime, you would prefer to get these pesky kernels out here, because when you get a bag of popcorn, you hate it when 20% of it is just kernels that weren't popped. So you gotta move the popcorn around down here so they fall into this compartment. This doesn't seem... I feel like I'm gonna break this thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Alright, and then we let it rest a little bit to see if the rest of the kernels can pop. You hear that? Right there. A couple more pops. And then we shake the rest out. Popcorn getting everywhere is part of the job. Alrighty. And these are just the perks. Another one of my duties was to organize the fridge, and man, no. Okay, this thing right here hasn't gone off in like I want to say 10 minutes. It probably hasn't been 10 minutes, but like the curtains are in there. It's just not hot. So I mean, oh, that's what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to read. I never learned. I'd like to clarify one thing. It told me to make 5 batches of popcorn, not to make 5 bags. So if anyone asks why there's so much popcorn, it's because batches means like rounds in the popcorn machine, not bags. My gosh, this is a lot of popcorn. Look how much, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I really do enjoy that I'm able to be in this giant closet for 7 period. But I do not enjoy the fact that because I'm in here, that means I have to do work. But hey, I have the time and I have the place all to myself. And most importantly, I have this amazing chair. But I might die. So that's Cameron's, the one that is working fully functionally.
And that's Alpheus.
And that's Alpheus.
Alpheus, if you're messed up, this is just a sign.
He's like, he wants it.
This is foreshadowing.
Oh man, they're like stuck in it now.
No, he's not.
Foreshadowing, you take that back.
Kevin, he stopped turning again.
Ah, well mine's kind of.
Why is yours so messed up? Is yours calibrated?
It was.
Calibrate it.
I have to do it again. I'm sorry, Alpheus.
I'm sorry, I need to be after a faulty robot.
You see these little lights going out? I'm sorry.
Even the lights flickering.
Put him out of his misery.
What? No, that's Kevin's spot. The lights
Alright,
flickering.
this right here is what we should have. This is what it should look like. Never mind. Oh. Alright. It's just doing a little song. Oh, there we go.
You thought.
Oh, what about this one?
I'm gonna name Bobby. I'm like,
I like it.
yeah.
Sound is just a little bit off, but you're just
Oh, did it stop? Oh.
a disappointment.
Hey, it's
Hey.
going faster. I think you just need to.
Check this guy out. Oh. He caught a bug. And that's Bethany!